So hey there, just working away on the car again outside. It's getting late. We're probably going to divide this into two little jobs, probably a little bit tomorrow. So I pulled the monitor out. So again, if you had the nav system, you would have a color screen. It'd be quite a bit different. So the base unit has its own separate little display. So just so you're aware of it, it's not one solid piece. Getting all the wiring and everything disconnected on this particular car, I don't know if it's just exclusive to this particular model or if it's just this car itself. A lot of the connectors are very, very difficult to remove, so be aware of that. I decided not to pull the climate control out completely. You've got the connectors for airbag display monitor, so it tells you whether it's on or off. Someone's been in at this at some point and the actual tad's been broken, so it's one of those things where I don't want to fuss with it. So I figure I'll just pull it apart, take it off the dashboard, and then I'll install it while it's here. So I'm not disturbing anything from that standpoint. Other little note, so there's little variations on the screws. So the larger screws are for the actual head unit itself. The little guys are for the trim. So if you're out there figuring it out after you put it back together, big ones for the head unit, little guys are for the trim. For whatever reason, on the ventilation system, they've gone with these little silver screws. I don't know why there's 4 of them. So other than that, they're all the same screw, other than 4 for the head unit are bigger. The little silver ones are for the climate control or the vents, just so you're aware of that. So hopefully that helps you out. Again, just going through the process, and again, I'm watching the gentleman there put it in on the old YouTube. I'm going to tell you his video is about 15 minutes long, so it's worth watching. A couple little things there, just so you're aware of it. It takes you more than 15 minutes to put the radio in. So talk to you later. Have a pleasant and enjoyable day.